Hey there! This walkthrough explains how to update a W-8BEN in Charles Schwab when your foreign tax certification needs to be reviewed or refreshed. A W-8BEN is generally used by non-U.S. individuals to certify foreign status for U.S. tax withholding purposes. This is not tax advice, so if you are unsure about your residency, treaty claim, or tax status, pause and speak with a qualified tax professional. Start by signing in to your Schwab account from a secure browser or the official app. Open the Profile, Forms, Tax Forms, or Account Settings area, depending on what Schwab shows in your account. Look for Tax Certification, Foreign Status, W-8BEN, Substitute Form W-8BEN, or Withholding Certificate wording. Before you update anything, confirm your legal name, country of citizenship, permanent residence address, mailing address, date of birth, and taxpayer identification details if Schwab asks for them. If you are claiming treaty benefits, review the treaty country and any required identification fields very carefully. Use the official IRS W-8BEN instructions as a reference, but enter information only through Schwab's secure account form or the official document process Schwab provides. After opening the update form, complete each required field slowly and avoid guessing. Check spelling, country names, address format, and whether any U.S. mailing or care-of address needs extra explanation. Before submitting, review the certification statement, electronic signature, date, and any withholding or treaty language. Submit only when everything matches your records. After submission, save or screenshot the confirmation if Schwab provides one, then monitor messages, forms, tax documents, or account alerts for processing updates. If the form is rejected, expired, or you cannot find the W-8BEN area, contact Schwab support and ask where to update foreign tax certification for your account type. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe for more simple finance walkthroughs.